Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting haul for you guys. I went to my Dollar Tree and I was so ecstatic because they had Halloween items. Yes, Halloween is starting to hit the stores. I don't think they had everything out because they did still have a ton of back to school stuff, but they did have a lot of the crafty items. So I picked up quite a bit of stuff. I think some of it might be repeats from last year. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I think Bear's just gonna hang out with his bum in the video for today. So let's go ahead and I will just pick things at random. These are some glittered spiders. These are the orange ones. They also had purple ones. Bear, honey, you can't put your face in the middle of videos. No. Go play with your toys. Go on. So these are the glittered spiders. These are black and orange. They also had black and purple. So they had the purple glitter instead of the orange. I went for the orange ones because I thought that they were, I don't know, I liked them more. I might go back and get the purple ones because they were also really fun. So you get 6 in a pack. Next thing is, I remember they had these last year. These are the felt stickers in different designs. There's little ghosts in there, bats, pumpkins, and different kinds of pumpkins. So those are super cute. I remember they had these last year, but they were kind of different shapes. So I was excited to see those. I also picked up, this isn't necessarily Halloween, but I plan to be using this for a Halloween DIY. So stay tuned for that. This is just the reindeer moss. So I needed some moss, so I went ahead and grabbed this. And it's kind of spooky and Halloween-y. So if you're doing some like tombstones or kind of crypts or just need some like greenery for your tablescapes or centerpieces or things like that, that would be a great option because it is kind of creepy and spooky, but still kind of not scary, I guess. I don't know. To me, it kind of screams Halloween. The next item is they also had the glitter foam shapes. I only grabbed the bats, so they're beautiful purple color. They did have the spiders, the pumpkins, and I want to say there was something that was black. It might have been a black cat. I don't quite remember, but I did pick these guys up because I did really like these. And then they had some of the sticker sheets. So I only grabbed this one. The other one I believe had the pumpkins and bats on it, but I just went for this one. I really like the little ghosts, and I like the little skull and crossbones on here. And these are all glittered, super fun foam stickers. And then the next item I thought was super cute. I was super excited to see these guys. They are witch hat picks. Aren't these adorable? So you get 3 in here. You get 1 purple, green, and orange. I might go back and grab another set. You can definitely chop off the picks and put these in a vase for filler. They had a bunch of different ones. They had fall ones, so they had like regular plain glittered pumpkins. They also had jack-o'-lanterns, so they actually had like the little black faces on them. They had the witches' hats, and I believe they had one other one. And then they had ones, they had like glittered pumpkins without the sticks. So they would be perfect to put in a vase for any type of centerpiece or tablescape, things like that. Very fun, very festive, and very cute. I also picked up one of the felt stickers. These, I believe, are more of the fall stuff. These are just a bunch of little owls. So cute. And then I also grabbed, I've seen a lot of people hauling these. These are the super heavy, I I want to say ceramic, but they're not really ceramic. They're super heavy, the pumpkins. So I went for the orange with the gold, and then they have the metal tin leaves on these. So I grabbed the orange one, the dark, Bear Honey, no, don't lick that. No, you don't want to eat that. Go on, go find your bone. Stop trying to eat stuff. And then I also got the white one. They also have a bright green colored one, and I decided against it just because it just wasn't kind of my theme and what I go for, so I left it. These you do have to be careful with because a lot of them are broken. The little stems are broken or they're chipped. So if you do pick them up, make sure that you do look them over to make sure that they're not broken, because that would be terrible to purchase something that was broke. The next two items, I'll just show them together. I grabbed these ornaments. One has glittered purple, and they both have eyeballs for the white one. So there's a green eye, and then there's an orange, I believe. Yeah, orange eyeball. And then the one with the black glittered has the blue and the purple. So cute. These I plan to take to work with me and decorate my desk. And then the last festive fall item, I was super excited because my store had the cotton stems that everybody has been lusting over and searching for. Like everyone else that I've watched that said these are not with the regular floral, they just had these in a small box on the ground that I randomly came across, and so I picked out 5 of them. I plan to put these in a vase to do kind of a floral arrangement for fall. I definitely really like these more than the other ones that they had. They're just like basically little cotton balls that they put in a stem. They don't have that like tool look to them. I don't know, they just look more organic to me and much better quality than the other ones that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. So I did go ahead and grab 5 of those. And then the last 4 items that I have are 2 food items and then some randoms. So I guess I'll start with the snack. This is the Boom Chicka Pop in the sweet and salty kettle corn. This is one of my favorites. Bear Honey, you can't have this. He has to inspect everything, of course. They used to, or the 99-cent store had the bigger bags of these for 99 cents. So this wasn't exactly the best deal, but I hadn't seen it in a while and it sounded really good while I was at the store. So I went ahead and bought one. I also bought 2 of the Kraft macaroni and cheese. And these are just in the regular macaroni and cheese. So I just grabbed 2 of those guys. And then I also picked up a pack of the colored pins. So I grabbed one of these. So this I was actually really excited about because the ink is actually colored. See how here it says assorted ink? So there's actually blue, green, orange, and pink ink, which I was super excited about because normally they just make colored pins, but the ink is still black. So I'm excited to try these guys out. And then I did purchase a book because I needed a book for my Halloween craft. So the one that I picked up was this one. And this one actually sounds like it might be actually a good book. This is a super thick hardback book. This originally retailed for $27, which is crazy that they have this at the dollar store. They had several of these. I've noticed that they've been getting a lot more books in, but they didn't have anything else that's was of interest to me specifically. So I only picked up this one for a DIY craft project. Again, stay tuned because you will be seeing that video coming up in the next couple of months. And so I grabbed this for that project. And that is everything that I got this time at the Dollar Tree. I will be visiting probably a little bit more often than I have been, especially knowing that more of their Halloween decor items will be hitting shelves, I would guess, in the next couple of weeks to maybe the end of August would be my guess. Super excited to see all the items that they come out with this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul video. Make sure to go hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I will be doing a ton more haul videos of Dollar Tree, especially over the next couple of months because it's my favorite time of year for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and of course Christmas. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye now!